Hello friends, welcome to Sovereign Store channel. In today's video, I am with you to discuss about a beautiful ornamental plant. This plant is very cute and has little pure white flowers with inflated balloon type calces and smart looking dark red corollas with long stamens that peep out of the lovely petals. This innocent looking ornamental plant known as bleeding glory may probably have derived the name from its flower that has the look of a drop of red blood exuding from the heart-shaped calyx. Unless many other flowers that bloom and drop next day, the flowers of this unique plant bloom in terminal clusters and remain active day and night for a few weeks before they change the white tender petal color to light pink and tan and dry up finally. This evergreen liana vine plant belonging to Clerodendron genus remained at the epicenter of attraction and attained the zenith of glory and popularity in the 19th century when the Beauty Bush Award under Garden Merit for Plant Performance was bestowed by the British Royal Horticultural Society. This ornamental plant of Lamiaceae family is the native of tropical West Africa from Cameroon to Senegal and is generally known in vernacular names like glory bower, bleeding glory bower, bagflower, and bleeding heart vine. This flowering liana plant is mostly grown in beautiful pots, vessels, and containers to decorate and beautify the verandas, balconies, and terrace of houses, offices, and other public places. The beauty of spotlessly clean white for ovate castles, the little dark red ovate shaped petals, 5 white long stamens, and the hang down posture of these innocent flowers increase the beauty of this Beauty Bush Award winner. From these little flowers develop oblong black droop like seeds as you can see in this video. Now let us see how this flowering plant can be grown. Growing this plant is not much difficult. Propagation can be done through seeds, cuttings, or layering methods. Growing from seeds is a time-consuming process and therefore cuttings are always preferred. Only thing to remember is that cuttings taken must be from a healthy and mature plant. These cuttings can be planted in a well-potted media with adequate moisture for rooting. It generally takes 10 to 15 days time to start rooting. Watering regularly during rooting, especially in the fervid summer days, is a must. When new leaves are grown and fresh shoots appear, they can be shifted to bigger pots or containers. The leaves of bleeding glory plants are smooth, dark green and glossy. The leaves arrangement is opposite to each other. From the axils of these pretty leaves develop beautiful flowers. Though this is a liana type climber plant, it can grow to a height of about 12 to 15 feet if proper feeding and watering is provided. It can be easily grown as a bush plant in flower plots or containers with proper pruning. People make use of this flowering plant as a hedge at the boundaries around the houses, which provides a pretty greenish flowering fence look. If grown properly on a trellis or structure, bleeding glory plants can be an ideal shelter for other indoor plants. Hanging these semi-vine plants in hanging pots too can be a smart idea. Glory bower plants can tolerate full sunlight, but they prefer to grow and flourish under partial shade or dappled sunlight. What they like is rich and nutritious, well-drained, loamy soil with adequate moisture and regular watering. These plants always bloom on new growths and therefore pruning the old branches after flowering can be helpful for growth of new shoots and blooming. As glory bower plants are non-toxic, it always get a place in ornamental plant lovers' garden. Studies as a herb said to have made on this flowering plant shows the presence of antibiotic, antioxidant and anticonvulsant contents that can be helpful for treatment of diabetes, headaches and curing of skin rashes, small sores, cuts and wounds. Bleeding bower plants have their share in cosmetic items. Shampoos made from these plants are said to be useful to treat dandruff. Like many other plants, bleeding glory plants also face attack from insects. Some of the insects that cause extensive damages include whiteflies, red spider mites, scale insects, and thrips. Besides, there are fungal diseases like botrytis and pythium rot roots. Viral and viroid disease like embatians, narcotic spot, tobacco mosaic, and tobacco ring spot also adversely affect this lovely flower plant. Use of effective and recommended insecticides and regular inspection of plants to a great extent can save the plant from attack of these enemies. Hope you liked the details given in this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video informative, please like and share with others. We at Saubarnika grow exotic and rare plants in our home garden. I will be back with details of another exotic rare plant soon. If you like to see my earlier videos on exotic plants, please visit the description box for details. This video ends here. You may please take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Thank you once again and bye.